Thank you for choosing Micro. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Micro Eazy scooter. The Micro Eazy is a commuter scooter designed for adults. It's slick, portable, and the only Micro on the market that features our automatic folding system. This means that you can easily fold and unfold the scooter using just the tap of your shoe. Pretty sweet. To begin, let's remove your Eazy from the box and packaging. Next, let's unfold the unit using only our foot. Once you engage the folding system with your foot, the handlebar will naturally guide into the folded or unfolded position. Important, never fold or unfold the scooter using your hand or fingers. Always fold and unfold the scooter using your foot. Safety first. When folding down the scooter, you'll notice that the rear portion of the handlebar clamp is slotted to fit snugly over the scooter's brake. This helps when pulling the scooter behind you in trolley mode. Next, let's get your handlebar grips inserted. To do so, press in silver tab on each grip and insert into cavity. Make sure tab pops out into hole on both sides. Now we're ready to extend the handlebar. You'll notice that extending the handle makes it much easier to fold and unfold the scooter. To extend the handlebar, open handlebar clamp and lift handle upward. Close latch once handle is at desired height. Please note, if you raise the handlebar up all of the way, a black locking button pops out to secure the handle at the tallest setting. This means that you will need to press in the button anytime you wish to lower the handle from the tallest setting. Please note, you may need to tighten the handlebar clamp over time. To do so, open latch and tighten clamp using supplied Allen key. Finish by closing latch. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Next, let's acquaint ourselves with the kickstand. As you can see, it's near the front wheel and can be found under the deck. Finally, let's take a quick moment to register your scooter for the warranty. The serial number that you need can be found right here on the scooter. Once you have your serial number, please visit www.microkickboard.com/warranty to get your scooter registered. Now that your Micro Eazy is set up and registered, it's time to hit the pavement. One last safety reminder. Never use your hands or fingers to unfold the Micro Eazy. Only fold and unfold the scooter using your foot with closed-toe shoes. Using your foot is the safest and fastest way to fold and unfold your scooter. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions or need any assistance. You can either post a YouTube comment below, or you can contact us directly. 888-236-5657 or info@microkickboard.com. Thank you for choosing Micro.